One peaceful evening in the little town of Green Meadow, two best friends, Bukky and Bayo, were getting ready for bed. Bukky adored adventures outside and always carried a pocket full of shiny rocks. Bayo treasured gazing at constellations and reading books about the wonders of the earth. That very night, as sleepy yawns floated through the air, an astonishing thing happened. The moon, usually pale and shy, shimmered so brightly it looked like a silver coin. Bukky's eyes widened as the glowing moon beamed right at their window. Bayo, did the moon just wink at us? And then, out of nowhere, ping! A tiny, twinkling message fluttered down and landed with a soft sparkle on Bukky's pillow. Bayo reached for it with trembling fingers. The message glowed softly as they opened it. Planet protectors needed tonight. Earth needs your help. Meet me in your dreams. The moon crescent moon. Bukky squirmed with excitement. Planet protectors. That's us. As soon as they cuddled under their blankets and closed their eyes, a whoosh of sparkling stardust whirled around them. Suddenly, Bukky and Bayo landed on a soft, glowing cloud high in the night sky, looking down at the magical earth below. To their surprise, both wore bright green capes embroidered with a tiny planet badge. Welcome, planet protectors, came a gentle, silvery voice. The moon's face appeared, kind and glowing. Earth needs small acts of care tonight. Will you help? Bukky stood tall and saluted. We're ready. Mission 1, the forest. In a blink, their cloud swooped to a peaceful forest, now with patches of stumpy cut trees. Bayo frowned. Animals need those trees for their homes. Bukky spotted a shimmer, a spade made of shining moonlight. Let's plant new ones. He dug swiftly, and Bayo sprinkled magical seeds along the soft earth. Suddenly, pop! 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 Little emerald trees shot up, dancing with leaves. Cheery birds zipped in, and squirrels played on the branches. Planting trees helps the earth breathe, the moon's voice echoed. Mission 2, the ocean. But oh no! Rubbish floated on the waves. A small sea turtle paddled unhappily nearby. Bayo frowned. Ocean animals can get caught in all that mess. Bukky picked up a net woven with glittering stardust. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!